Today we're going to replace the Realme 3 LCD screen. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove the SIM card tray. Step 2. Remove the back cover using a prying tool. Step 3. Remove the metal bracket in place. Step 4. Remove the flex cables attached. Step 5. Remove the battery carefully. Step 6. Heat up the broken LCD screen to soften the adhesive. Step 7. Remove the faulty LCD screen using a prying tool. Step 8. Prepare the new LCD screen. Step 9. Clean the LCD frame contacts. Step 10. Place the adhesive on the LCD frame contacts. Step 11. Install the new LCD screen in place. Step 12. Plug in the LCD flex cable in place. Step 13. Place back the battery properly. Step 14. Plug in the battery and the fingerprint sensor connector. Step 15. Install the metal bracket in place. Step 16. Place back the back cover properly. Step 17. Insert the SIM card tray in place. Turn on the phone and test the LCD screen functionality. The LCD screen is working perfectly. Thank you for watching.